It. She whispered to herself. Whispered means speak softly. Means she was speaking to with herself only that where is my husband? She was worried about her husband. Next, just then she saw a bird catcher coming towards her. In a cage, he had a pigeon. It was her husband. Oh no, what shall I do now? How will I help my husband? She said. She desperately tried to distract the bird catcher by flapping her wings, but all in vain. Desperately means seriously. Means she was trying to come out the husband from the cage. Next, distract. Distract means disturb or trouble greatly. And flapping means move up and down when flying. When the birds are moving, their wings are going up and down. That is called flapping. And vain means producing no result. Means she was trying that her husband should come out from the cage. She did the lot of hard work, but all in vain. Vain means there was no result. Soon it stopped raining. The bird catcher sat under the tree. His clothes were wet. The poor wife sat by her husband's cage and she started to cry. The husband said, "Do not feel sad, dear. We now have a guest. This man is shivering and hungry. He needs your help." Hearing this, the wife flew around getting dry twigs. She made a fire for the bird catcher. Then she looked at the bird catcher and said, "You are our guest. Since I have no food to other, I will jump into this fire. If a few minutes, I will become an edible item for you. You can eat me." Now, in this paragraph, just see the wife, she collected the dry twigs and she made a fire for the bird catcher. Now, she was looking at the bird and he said that you are our guest and but we don't have food because to the guest we are offering food, but there was no food for him. And what she did, she said to the bird catcher that she will jump into this fire and a few minutes it will become a edible item for you, then you can eat me. Next, by now the bird catcher was surprised by the hospitality of the humble pigeon couple. He at once stopped the wife from jumping into the fire. He opened the cage and set the husband free. "I have been cruel and selfish. I will never trap any bird in my net again," said the bird catcher and went away. The two pigeons were happy to be reunited. Reunited means to bring people together again. Now, see how the wife behaved with the bird catcher. Now, bird catcher is also changed when he saw that the hospitality of the wife, then he stopped the pigeon to jump into the fire. Then he opened the cage and set the husband free from the cage. And he realized that he was very cruel and selfish. After that, after realized, He said that he will never trap any bird in the net, means he will not catch or trap any bird in the cage, and the bird catcher went away. Then the two pigeons were happy and they again reunited. So, do you get some lesson from this story? I think you got the hint from this story that you should also not be cruel towards birds or animals. Not only birds and animals, means with all the creatures. You should be humble. You should show your love and gratitude towards all living beings. Okay, so now it's your homework that this paragraph, my thoughts, here you will write your own thoughts, that what you learned from this story, that you will note down here. Okay, so next we will do in the next video. By that time, take care. Goodbye.